This is what a lot of guys do. Don't do it. Now come here, come on. Slip, walk over, walk over. Defense is way, the offense is there. I'm here. You go set the screen. I'm touching. Touch, ice, ice, ice. By the third ice, I'm on your left side. First ice, I'm on your right. Get it? I start here. We go. Go. Ice, 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 ice. I'm here. I'm back. I'm back. Set the screen. Ice, ice, ice. Bring the fight through. Bring the fight through. I'm gonna set the screen. Ice, 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 ice. Don't go sideways. Straight up. As soon as he starts dribbling down, you're not running up anymore. Now, you ready? Going up. Go ice, 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 ice.